Hi there, another video for Advancing Car. So today I've been working on this 2016 T6. Bit of an odd one, this one. Bearing in mind it's got all like the whole caravel set up with all the venting and stuff all in the roof and all that, and therefore it's got the digital climate control. Yet it had no parking sensors whatsoever, no front or rear or anything. So we've done factory front and rear parking upgrade, and we've also done the V3 headlights as well to smart light on the front end, and also, as you all know, improve the light output from the headlights. So yeah, let's go and have a look. And well, you would have seen all the operation of the headlights, and I think we've done plenty of videos of them before anyway. So yeah, you'll agree the front end's looking a lot smarter, especially with this aftermarket badgeless grille and everything, which is pretty cool. So let's go and look at the sensors and show you it working. Right, and so inside the van, obviously I'm sure you're all very familiar with all these sorts of setups and stuff, but obviously with the genuine parking system, you get the genuine parking button, which also has the illumination when you turn the lights on and everything, as does everything else. And then when we put the vehicle into reverse, that activates the parking pilot. So obviously we can see at the moment, because of the number plate, the front buzzers are on a full beam, but the on a full warning for the closest of things, and the rears are just picking up our speakers in the workshop at the moment. So obviously as an object or anything gets closer to the front, then the sensors will obviously sweep in, and you'll get your line sweeping in as an object is, you're coming up to an object or an object is moving across in front of you. And the same with the rears. They'll stay on in between reverse and drive, and then obviously you'll turn off automatically once you drive away and get above 7 miles an hour. So you don't have to press the parking button. Parking button's just there for removing the automatic activation if you're in, say, slow moving traffic and you get a bit close to that vehicle in front. You can then turn them off so they don't annoy you and they're not getting in the way or anything. And that's about it really, just full front and rear genuine sensors, new headlights, and this is now nicely upgraded van. Probably multifunction steering wheel, maybe a reversing camera, and they'll be all set. So if you've got a car or van like this that just needs those final little upgrades, or you just some bits you need and want doing, obviously jump on the website, fill out the contact form, get in touch, check out all our socials and everything, find any other things and stuff that we've done that you want doing, and we look forward to hearing from you. So thanks for watching.